Well, good evening again, everybody. Watching the radar tonight. Now, there's not a lot of rain out there, but where it's raining, it's coming down really hard tonight. This, again, all false echoes. A little shower down here in McDonald County. The real action is over here in Douglas County tonight with some bigger thunderstorms. There is now a flash flood warning out for this area. It's along and just south of Highway 76 and Highway 14 going into western Howe County tonight. There's also some rain here in northeastern Shannon County. That's over the Current River Valley there. Zooming in on this big-time activity here, you can notice very heavy rain and thunderstorms continue to plague this same area, and so that's why the flash flood warning is out until 4 o'clock in the morning. These areas have received more than an inch of rain and are likely to receive another half to 1 inch of rain, especially as the storms back build to around the Ava area. Let's clean this off and check out the, well, you know, now they've issued this warning anyway. There's been about 20 to 25 lightning strikes in the last 3 minutes or so, so there's plenty of energy with these things, and there's been some hail in here. Now, this runs from about the 76 181 junction southward to just to the north of Twin Bridges here on 181, so there is some smaller hail in there. It's not huge. It's probably not going to really, you know, ruin the shingles on the house, but it certainly is going to rattle things around quite a bit. So, again, we're watching that. Let's pull out just a bit. We'll put the time lapse in motion. One thing I want you to know is, see this, there's an outflow boundary that goes north, and then right in here, there's actually a weak cold front, and when the outflow boundary hits the cold front, watch how the storms just pop up in this area right in here. Boom, there they come. And so they're going to last for another few hours or so, and probably sometime after midnight this thing will start to very slowly go on to the east and then start to die. But it's going to be a while, which is why the rain is going to rack up. Now, I want to show you this model that really picked up on this area of rain earlier today, but we have to make some adjustments to it because it actually showed very high amounts over here, but it's, again, back building a little bit to the west. In the morning, we'll be left with some cloud cover. Shouldn't have a whole lot of rain. As we go through the day on Thursday, by the time we get to 1 o'clock, then the storms are going to develop, and then as we head on into the late afternoon and evening, we may see some bigger thunderstorms come into southwest Missouri. Now, anything that does look like this will produce some hail, some brief gusty winds, so we may have some isolated areas of severe weather tomorrow afternoon. And the waves just keep on coming. This is the one that's for tomorrow, then this one down here, that's going to be for Friday, and then there's one more after that on Saturday before things start to quiet down. Temperature-wise, we're running from the mid-60s to the low 70s, certainly a lot of humidity. And if you watch the tower cams out to the east, every now and then you can pick up some of that lightning. We're at 69 in Springfield with clear sky and a calm wind right now. And I want to check the allergy count real quick before we go to the forecast. Your count today, 267. The grass is very high and the mold is high. So if you're suffering from allergies, that's what's floating around in the air. All right, let's get a look at our forecast. And for tonight, a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Overnight temperatures mid-60s. Winds from the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow should be quiet for the first part of the day. Afternoon and evening, not so much. You'll need the umbrella if you're headed out. High temperatures before the rain comes in should manage to make it up into the low to mid-80s. Today's high, by the way, was 85 degrees. Here's our forecast for the next 7 days. Friday, Saturday, very wet. Sunday morning, some scattered showers. After that, count them, 3 dry days in a row next week.